On June 20th, 2025, multiple officers responded to a disturbance at Orlando International Airport involving an airline passenger reported to be intoxicated and disruptive. Airline staff denied the passenger boarding due to intoxication, rebooked her for the following day, and requested police assistance to escort her from the secure area. The encounter escalated as officers attempted to move her out of the terminal, culminating in a physical arrest.
There's no time on it.
She's intoxicated. Started throwing
Go ahead.
telephone, the speak when we make announcements, and then now she ran to try to open the door.
I was trying to go on my flight.
You're totally too drunk, and they're not going to let you fly. Are you guys going to rebook her or what?
Already rebooked her.
But
Okay,
they gave
so
me me a flight.
Yeah. Tomorrow at noon? Okay, come on, let's go back up
They
front.
didn't give me a good one.
That's the only flight we have available.
No, give me my.
That's not what you want. You have it in your hand.
You ready?
Throw it
You
away.
threw it away.
No, because it said invalid.
That's your
Can you give me
reservation.
another one, please?
I'll give you another one, man.
For the boarding pass?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you give me another one? Because
He's
it
getting
said
it. He's getting it.
invalid.
He's getting it. He's getting it.
You
I
think
don't know
that's-
why they come here and get drunk
think
like
that's
this
her
and
bad-
think they
that's-
can fly.
You think that's
Girl, I can smell it from here.
No,
I trained.
Yes, you did.
I did drink, but I was just going to New York. and
Yeah. Well, you
took
should have
a
waited
nap.
till you got there and get towed up.
It's too easy.
I'm-
I can smell it from here. And they don't want you on the plane with it. So that's why.
I took a nap.
Okay. Well, we're going to go back down this way.
Okay. Trouble. These motherfuckers should have let me sleep on the plane.
It don't work that way.
It works. It works that way. It works that way. Do you not give wine? Do you not give wine and liquor on the
Here you
plane?
go.
Do you not give wine and liquor on the plane?
Here we go.
And when the mother gets drunk on the plane, do you not kick them off the plane? What? You do not open up the plane and kick them out? What? Oh, let me coach. Oh, let me look. You didn't get drunk. Oh, let me kick them off the plane.
Hey.
Watch your language, please.
No.
That's it. No, what? What do you mean
No.
no? That's for tomorrow.
No, it says not valid for travel. And it says passenger interior. No, I need.
This is the new one.
No, it's not.
What time is your flight for
says-
tomorrow?
It says not valid.
12:10. 12:10. Economy. 12:10.
This is not valid for travel.
Hey,
I need it. No. My son is graduating, you know.
hey, come here.
I can read.
Can you explain to her this ticket?
It says not valid for travel.
That's a reservation, so tomorrow at noon, she has to go to the ticket counter.
Uh-huh.
With that information, they print the boarding pass.
Okay.
Okay.
That's what it is.
That
Okay,
makes
you
sense.
got it now? All right.
Okay. With my
That's- we
ID
got
and
it.
everything else?
All right.
Thank you.
This way. You're gonna go to jail for
Why?
disorderly conduct. Let's go.
What?
What? Let's
I
go.
didn't do anything wrong.
Keep moving.
So I'm going to jail for disorderly conduct. Right? You know what? Let's do it. Let's proceed.
Okay. Perfect. Keep moving. Keep moving.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay. Can you repeat traffic?
Well, here's the deal. We got the
I didn't
airport.
do anything wrong.
Listen to me, man. We got the airport
operations coming out, and they're gonna ask you to leave. All right. If you
So
fail
I'm
to
leaving,
leave,
but I'm not going to
All right.
jail.
all right. I don't want to take you to jail. So.
I'm not going to jail.
All right. Let's go.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Man.
No, you guys are idiots.
Okay.
You're almost there. Keep moving.
Shut up, my lift.
Don't
my
tell me to
lift.
shut up. Get on the escalator. Let's
I
go.
have to see where my lift is.
Get up on the escalator.
I have to see where my lift is.
Up and to the right.
How are you shut the up, you stupid
go.
ass?
Let's go. We're almost there.
Don't touch me. Oh! Oh! I didn't do anything.
You hit an officer.
You
Way to go.
touched
Go to
me.
jail. Stop resisting.
I'm not.
I got the leg.
You touched me first. Are you really? Can I get my glasses? I can't see anything.
Get him.
Can I get my glasses? Can I get
You
my
don't hit an
glasses?
officer.
Can I get my glasses? I can't see anything. Oh, you really, guys?
Yep. Really.
Can I get my glasses? For giving me
Stop. Stop.
Can you not do that?
Roll to your side, and we're going to help you up, okay?
Can you not do that? That was not
Roll
nice.
to your right side.
You hit me first. You hit me first.
Bring your knees up.
You hit me first.
Come on. Come on. Bring your knees up.
You hit me first.
There we go. You got it. Man up.
You hit
Come
me
on.
first. You have the cam on, right?
Get your shoe.
You have the cam on, right?
Yep. Yep. You got one more. You got one more.
First. At least it's not Polk County. Can you put this? Can you put this?
Yeah, we'll get it.
Oh, that's not nice.
Car's back at 2:30.
That's not nice.
One of these cars?
There's so much criminals out here.
Yeah, I do.
There's so
Let's go to
many.
the elevator.
There's so many criminals.
I know, right? You're doing good. Come on.
How are you? I didn't do anything to you. You did. You hit me first.
You on level 2?
Yes, I'm on
Push
2.
my hand.
Hit the button.
It's okay. You wanted to arrest me. It's fine.
You had every opportunity.
It's fine. It's fine. I just did this to you.
Stop.
Here we go. Come on.
Fine. I am not a mean person. Why are you?
Face the wall. Thank you.
Yeah, because Sam's the only one here. We're doing a level 2, and that's ordered out. So we're coming down the elevator right now.
Fine. It hurts.
Stop.
It hurts.
Yeah. Stop moving. Stop moving.
When we get there, we'll
Quit trying to
adjust
stop
it.
moving. Stop moving.
Ow, why are you bending my hand?
I'm not bending your hands.
Yes,
Stop
you
moving.
are.
Stop moving. Quiet. Quit trying to scratch us.
You have the camera?
Over here.
Why are you bending it? I am not even resisting anything. What the f is wrong with you? Why are you so? Do you hate women? Do you hate women? Do you guys hate women? I didn't even do anything wrong. Ow, I just want to put my hands down.
We're going to change it in just a minute.
Oh. Oh. Let me put my hands down. What is wrong with you? I didn't do anything wrong to you. You know what? I'll let you bend my hand. Go ahead, bend it. Break it. Go ahead, break it. Break it. Break it. So I can sue you. Because I didn't do anything wrong. I would sue you. I would sue you. I have money, I would sue you. You don't even know who right? 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 Oh, you don't know how much money I have. Yeah, go ahead. What's your name?
Be in the report.
What's your name?
Keep moving. We're almost there.
I'll get it on the police report. I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue the shit out of you. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything wrong.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sue you both.
Yeah, we got
Right
to.
up against the car. Put it right here.
Can you let my arms go?
You got a fight?
No,
You got a
I
scratch?
didn't. I didn't fight from the.
Just please stop.
I didn't.
If she doesn't stop, we'll just cut the bag.
I
You want your
never.
bag cut?
No. I was just holding my bag.
Well, we're going to take it off here in a second.
Do we want to slip another set of cuffs on one at a
I
time?
never fought.
Okay. You're doing great. Just stay right here.
This way, move.
Let the bags go. Do you have anything on you that can stick me, poke me, hurt me?
No.
No? You have on a sports bra or anything or no?
Is there anything in your person that shouldn't be in jail because you don't get another charge?
It will turn into a felony.
Okay.
I was going to
I understand. I just need to make sure I don't want to get another charge.
Okay. I need to turn around just a little bit right here. No, no drugs or anything, right?
No.
We're putting her in. We're good? Go ahead and get her. Have a seat. Gotta put your legs up. Go in there.
I know.
Okay.
Can you?
Go ahead. I'm gonna put your seatbelt on.
What's going for my son's graduation? What's wrong with you guys? Ay, and this hurts.
And it's not gonna be comfortable, but you gotta make it work for now. That's kind of loose.
Whatever.
Let's turn it on and turn the air on.
The officer's presence here is completely legitimate from the start. Airports are not casual public spaces. Airlines have broad authority to deny boarding to intoxicated passengers, and when staff ask police to assist, officers step in under what's known as a community caretaking and public order role. At that stage, no one is under arrest. This is about restoring order and moving someone out of a secure area safely. And here's the first critical point. The passenger is told, more than once, that she's too intoxicated to fly and needs to leave the area. Instead of disengaging, she argues, swears, interrupts, and keeps pushing back. In a packed airport terminal, that behavior matters. Under Florida law, disorderly conduct doesn't require a punch or a shove. Loud, profane, intoxicated conduct that disrupts normal operations is enough. By the time officers say, "You're going to jail for disorderly conduct," that threshold has already been crossed. What actually strengthens the officer's case is how much restraint they show before that moment. They explain the ticket. They give her options. They try to walk her out. They even warn her, clearly, that continued refusal will end in jail. That's not overreach. That's textbook de-escalation, even if it doesn't feel gentle in the moment. Once the arrest decision is made, the legal lens shifts. Officers are now allowed to use physical control. The passenger resists. She pulls away. She struggles. She repeatedly claims she was touched first, but that argument doesn't carry legal weight. Officers are permitted to initiate contact during a lawful arrest. The real question is whether she intentionally struck or made hostile physical contact during that struggle. That's where the battery on a law enforcement officer charge comes in, and that charge is narrower. It doesn't require a knockout blow, but it does require more than passive resistance. Based on the continued physical engagement, resistance, and contact during the takedown, officers had enough to justify the charge at the moment. Whether it holds up long-term would depend on testimony, consistency, and any available video, but the arrest itself is legally defensible. Now, about force. This is not excessive force under constitutional standards. The subject is intoxicated, non-compliant, verbally aggressive, and physically resisting in a public transportation hub. Officers use hands-on techniques, take her to the ground, cuff her, and maintain control. There's no baton, no weapon, no prolonged punishment once compliance is achieved. Complaints about pain, bent wrists, or tight cuffs are common in arrests, and standing alone do not equal a constitutional violation. Zooming out, this case is stronger than it might feel emotionally. Disorderly conduct is well supported by behavior, setting, and repeated warnings. The battery charge is more fact-dependent, but still grounded in lawful arrest dynamics. Defense arguments about confusion, intoxication, or unfair treatment don't undo the central fact. She was lawfully ordered to leave, refused, escalated, and resisted once officers moved to arrest. This wasn't about silencing speech or punishing attitude. It was about control in a high-risk public environment. And under the law, the officers stayed on the right side of that line. Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.